Why is UTF-8 character encoding important for HTML? Imagine building a website that speaks every language on Earth, includes emojis, and displays symbols perfectly. How do you make sure everything shows up right for everyone? That's where UTF-8 comes in. When you write HTML, your text can include all kinds of characters, letters, numbers, symbols, or even emojis. Without a proper way to tell the browser how to read these characters, they might turn into strange symbols or question marks. Character encoding is like a translator for your computer. It tells the computer how to turn the text you see into a form that can be stored, sent, and displayed correctly. If the encoding isn't right, your web page might show garbled text or weird symbols. That's why choosing the right encoding is so important. UTF-8 is a type of character encoding that is part of the Unicode standard. Unicode assigns a unique number to every character, no matter what language or symbol it is. UTF-8 takes those numbers and converts them into a format that computers understand easily. It can handle almost any character you want to use, from English letters to Chinese characters, mathematical symbols, or even emojis. This makes it incredibly flexible for creating global websites. Most modern websites use UTF-8 as the default encoding because it supports so many characters. Older encodings like ISO 8859 only worked well for English and a few other languages. But UTF-8 can display text from any language, making your site accessible to a worldwide audience. To tell the browser to use UTF-8, you add a simple line in your HTML code. Meta charset is equal to. This line should be near the top of your HTML file, right after the opening head tag. It's like giving the browser a clear instruction on how to read your text. If you skip this step, your page might show strange symbols instead of the characters you typed. For example, an accented letter like EAQ could appear as a strange combination of characters, or an emoji might not show up at all. Using UTF-8 prevents these issues and helps your content look correct everywhere. Another benefit of UTF-8 is that it allows you to use actual characters directly in your HTML code. You don't always need to use special HTML entities like andamp, for an ampersand, or ANCOPY, for the copyright symbol. While entities are still useful for certain characters, especially those that might be confused with HTML code, UTF-8 makes it easier to include most characters without extra codes. For beginners, this means you can focus on creating engaging content without worrying about character display problems. You can include emojis, accents, or foreign language characters directly in your text. This makes your pages more lively and accessible to a wider audience. In short, UTF-8 character encoding is vital for HTML because it ensures your text appears correctly no matter what characters you use. Adding the meta tag for UTF-8 at the start of your HTML file is a simple step that makes your website more reliable and user-friendly. It's the foundation for creating web pages that are truly international, fun, and easy to read.